Learn how to manifest money easily just like the elites do. Learn how one man discovered secret knowledge, hidden in an Egyptian library, that can be used to manifest wealth directly into your life. Find out how the elites use secret knowledge about the universe. See proof that for centuries, how the powerful elite class has been using secret knowledge to manifest wealth. It's time you started to reap the benefits. Why should only elites have access to this secret information? Click the link in the bio to receive instant access.